Welcome to my Aunt Pat's Pampered Chef party. My name is Emma and today we're going to make Western omelet squares using the brownie pan. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're going to put in, this is a 2 cup serving bowl.
Prep bowl.
Prep bowl.
Good job. And we already pre-greased the pan, so here we go.
So we're going to put a little bit in each of these. Get that one in there. Just a little bit more.
Great. And we chopped up the ham using the new and improved
paring knife.
Very good, Emma. On our cutting board. Okay.
Now, onto our 1 cup prep bowl. We've got green peppers. Sprinkle some of those in too.
Those were also chopped up with the new and improved paring knife on the cutting board.
Just a little bit more in that one. Okay. So now let's move on to our 1 cup prep bowl of onions. We use the food chopper for this one. We're just gonna...
Quick and easy. Goes so fast you don't have time for tears.
Just gonna put a little bit in each of these. Just a little bit more.
Great.
Now,
question, what do you do when you have leftovers in those little bowls over there, Emma?
Well,
are you glad I asked you that question?
No.
Can you tell me what we do if we have extras? What can we do with those bowls?
We can use these lids to store them.
Oh, perfect.
Fix that.
Wonderful.
Okay. We're going to use this scoop and put 1 scoop of this into each one.
What is that?
This is the medium scooper.
Great, but what's in that bowl there?
This is eggs whisked with milk.
Okay, great. So just like if I was making scrambled eggs.
Yes.
Perfect, and it's in the small batter bowl. Perfect size.
Okay, so let's get going then.
Okay.
So we just take one of that, put it right over it.
Great. Looking good. So that's only a dozen eggs and milk? That's pretty great. That's quick and easy.
Yeah, and now
I think we should put a little seasoning on. That would be delicious.
we're going to use this crushed peppercorn and garlic rub.
Yum. Sounds good to me.
Just going to sprinkle a little bit on. Just like that.
This is one of my favorites. I also like to use this when I'm grilling. Looks good. Is it ready to bake, Emma?
Not yet. We haven't added the cheese.
Oh, also in a 2 cup prep bowl. Perfect.
So it's just
Freshly shredded up. Delicious.
put a little bit more in that one.
So we're just putting in a little bit of cheddar cheese. Okay.
That looks good. And now we're gonna finish up doing the rest of these, and we're gonna put it in the oven for you have to preheat it first to 350. And then you're gonna put it in for 15 to 18 minutes.
Sounds great.
Welcome back. As you can see, we just taken them out of the oven, and now we can easily take them out with our mini serving spatula. Wow, look at those. Don't they look amazing? And they smell even better too.
They come out of there so easily. Yum. So the recipe that we used is actually enough to make 2 entire pans worth. And the reason we like doing the 2 entire pans worth is that you can just throw these in a baggie, put them in the freezer, and heat them up and eat them later. So if you want these, you don't have to go through making it every single time. Quick and easy in the mornings if you're in a hurry, or if you just got the munchies. And they smell so amazing. You're going to have to make them when you get a chance. Trust me. They smell wonderful. So for now, we just went ahead and did 1 pan's worth, and we'll make the other pan later. If you only want to make 1 pan's worth, then you're only going to need 6 eggs, half an onion, half a green pepper, and probably about 6 to 8 ounces of ham. So what we did was we went ahead with the prep bowls, we put the lids on, we're going to throw these in the fridge to use for another recipe. So, don't they look amazing? Great job, Emma.
Okay. Now we're on to the drawing.
Okay, and we're going to pull it out of the what?
The measuring.
Easy read.
2 cup.
Measuring cup. All right, and today's winner is?
Let's see. Granny.
Granny, and what does Granny win?
She wins the new and improved mini paring knife.
Congratulations, Granny. Thanks everybody for tuning in, and join us tomorrow for some really fun and incredible recipe that we cook up.
Goodbye.